and I don't know if you can see in this picture real well, but when you look at the smaller version, the pleats are pretty much gone. And the other thing is you can see, I think it picks up in this picture okay, you can see the seams. Because there's not enough pleating, because there's not enough fabric, your seams show up. And so what we're suggesting is that we put another panel of fabric, or figure out the ratio between the larger one compared to the smaller one, and make sure they're the same so that the pleating appears the same. The other thing is you'll notice that the bottom of the light fixture looks fine when you look at it, but when you get underneath it, you can start seeing cracks of light around the edges, and then you see rough spots, and that's not what the company wants to see. And this may or may not show up okay in this light, but the bottom line is that you can see the light peeking around the edges, and it just doesn't look good quality from that standpoint. So our proposal there is either to put a larger lens in or put a gasket around the outside to fill in that crack. So that's something we all need to talk about. But you can see that when you get underneath the fixtures, you can see how that edge starts looking pretty rough, and it just doesn't look finished. And so if that plastic or the acrylic on the bottom was a little bit whiter and pushed into the cloth, it would be more of a finished product, and it wouldn't look like it's got light leaking around the edges. That's not what they were expecting.